All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into the channel for the first time, my name's Chakits, Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas. Also a member of the National Association of Realtors. As a licensed real estate agent out here in Henderson, Las Vegas, and North Las Vegas, and also Boulder City. Have access to all the properties that you can think of. So there's not a transaction that we can't do, no matter if you're a VA buyer, FHA buyer, we help you guys all. Now, today we are here in the beautiful city of Henderson on the east side of the valley. And this is one of the newer master plan community called Cadence. Now the name of this neighborhood for this tract home is the Suncrest II. So I just literally did a full video tour on that. So if you guys haven't had a chance to check that one out, I think you guys would love that one. So go and check that out. That is a 3262 model, but today we're going to be focusing on this model right here, which is the 2924 residency, and it is also 2,924 square feet. You have an option from 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, loft, flex space with a 3-car garage. You have 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. Okay, and you have probably I think about 12 different color schemes here. This home does come with some pavers. Depending on the elevation, you will get this stacked stone. Now, elevations, depending on the elevations that you pick, could be anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000. Now, lot premiums. Right now, lot premiums run anywhere from $5,000 to $23,000. There are no SIDs and lids. So let's take a look at this courtyard here. Courtyard does come with terracotta pavers, and it looks like you do have some traverse LED lights here right above, which is really nice. Now you have an 8-foot door, 9-foot ceilings come standard, and I love this electronic keypad that's also included. The flooring here is going to get the 17 by 17 porcelain tile in the wet areas. As you can see, you have a nice feature wall that is not going to be included. You do have the loft with this banister right here. Typically, you have a pony wall, but let's go here. Let's just start from the living room here. As you can see, this is a full contemporary floor plan. I know how many of you guys love this style as far as contemporary floor plans, right? So the home does come with a smart integrated system. You'll get the Wi-Fi for the garage door opener. You'll have your coach lights too as well, and your thermostats, okay? Property does come with a quartz countertops, 2¼ inch. Under-mounted sink, this would definitely be an upgrade here. On the quartz here, they didn't do one piece. We talked about this. Make sure to get with the sales agent to see if you can do the one piece. It's going to give you more of that custom look. You got the under-mounted stainless steel. Now, if there's scratches, don't worry about that. You can buy a tray, or there is a technique to remove the scratches. I should show you that in one of the videos. The pendant lightings with this builder is about $175 a piece. You get the birch 42 upper cabinets. However, these are the white with the glass. If you do the glass like this, make sure to add the LED lights. Now let's take a look here. 8-foot doors, okay? That would be a upgrade, okay? On this one, you got the gourmet kitchen package, which is a upgrade too as well. You have the 36-inch cook countertops on this one by Whirlpool, which is really nice. Standard comes with a 4-inch backsplash. As you can see, they tiled it all the way up to the top, also with that custom hood. Now, with the standard crown, you're going to have a 3-inch crown on here. The refrigerator is not included. Back here, we have the valet with the full built-ins. That will also be an upgrade. Coming into the pantry, you have 5 shelves, okay? Then you have this mirror or glass door here. That is not included. This is your 3-car garage. What I do like about this builder, you do get the garage door opener. Full 3-car garage. This is going to be more of a storage. You get the soft water loop is included, which is really nice. And you get the tankless water heater. Now you can do the circulation valve for a little bit more money. I definitely do prefer that. Now, on this one, remember you have what? 3 to 4-bedroom options. So, this one right here, right? Let's take a look at this. You can, this glass right here, they may not include this. I don't think they include this right here. And when I say include, I meant it's not even an option. With these built-ins too as well, you'd have to come in and do this after the fact, okay? But now if you did something like this, because you turn this into your office, which is really nice, make sure to get your Cat 6, your cable outlets, and all that good stuff all in here. Now, I love this slider. This is an upgraded slide. This is a 12-foot slide, but this is the first time I've seen a builder use this in this price point, which is a great feature and option. So you have this slide, but take a look at this. You can literally open this up on both sides. Now, I felt like I was the one that recommended this to the builder as far as the option on this slide, because I've always complained about this. Why not have the slide opens on both sides? And I actually got that from Icon out in El Paso, Texas. You got the cover patio extension. That would also be an upgrade. The average lot size here is going to be roughly around 6,000 square feet. Everything that you see here, we already know is an upgrade. Now, you're probably going to wonder, why is there a low wall? Required by code, 9 blocks high, 6 feet tall. Now, on this one, as you can see, the eaves are only less than a foot. That house is a 2-foot eaves. Now, you see the color, this color on top of this stucco? With this kind of trawl, right? When you're using this stucco right here, when you use a trawl to put it on here, you need to make sure this is painted on very thick, because you're going to have some of these blemishes just like that. And that's just kind of like the standard stucco. You do get the 16 SEER air conditioning unit, which is really nice. In addition to that, you also get the R13 and the R30 inside the attics, but it's going to be battened, so just keep that in mind. Now let's take a look at these shakers. You got the full overlays, but as you can see, you have the side tracks here with the MDF staples. A home at this price point, I would not use the dovetails. Another upgrade here, we have a nice 60-inch fireplace. This is not a heat glow. I'm not too sure what brand that is. Not bad, right? And I love the mount right here. I'm going to try to make this video fast because the attention span is only 8 minutes. You do have an option to do a sink here, as far as the vanity with the sink, I'm sorry. Love the fact that you have a window here. Now, we talked about this banister. Typically it's a pony wall. Great idea. I would open this all up. You do have so many options as far as custom railings are concerned, which is really, really nice. So here's your loft area. Okay, remember this is an option for a 3 to a 4 bedroom. So you have 1, 2 laundry room, but we're going to start here. So that loft could be a bedroom, which I prefer to have it a loft and keep that flex space downstairs. Decent size, and I'm out of breath. Woo! This is not easy. You got to talk, walk, control the camera, look through this small little screen here in the back. Okay? And you got to keep it exciting and fun as you go along, because that's what we do. We try to make the home buying process, right? Educate you guys and also have fun at the same time. Stop taking things so serious. I had a complaint the other day. I'm not going to use you as a licensed real estate agent because you painted your fingernails black. It's like, come on. It was for Halloween. Like, relax. You're going to judge me based upon that? You do have an option for a sink here. It's like, at the end of the day, I know I'm not going to get everybody, and that's completely fine because remember, there's 7 billion people on planet Earth. I just need at least 1% of you guys to like me, right? Also, if you don't like what I have to say, and you're upset about it, hey, that's your own opinion, and I gotta respect that, right? So I can't take that away from you, but let me know in the comments below. If you think I'm a douchebag, hey, let me know, right? If you like me, let me know as well, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Now remember, I make these videos to really educate you guys at the end of the day. One thing I want you to ask, based upon the elevation, take a look at how many windows you have, okay? And you may have to go to a spec home, which they are currently building for a client And I want you to take a look at it to see how much light is coming in, right? Also, like if you're building a pool, we just ran across this situation. The sun rises here, east, sets in the west. If your pool is in the backyard, you need to make sure if you get that light exposure because you may want that sun. Oh, excuse me, I burped. You may want that sunlight. These are things that you need to know. There is so much to build a home that you as a regular consumer just don't think about. I've been doing this now for about 10 going on 11 years now. I don't even remember. That's how long it is. That as I build through the process with my clients, I learn as I go along too. I don't know everything, but I can tell you this. I'm one of the few real estate agents out here that specializes in new home construction. All right? And I know how things work from one builder to another. I can literally go into a new home build and I can just tell you right off the get-go by looking at the sheet what are standard, right? Installation, using 2x4, 2x6, right? What do you get for your money? And this only comes with experience by doing multiple homes. Now, once we go through the whole process, not only that, I'm walking you through from the design aspect. I don't pick your cabinets or anything because that's more of a personal preference. But when it comes to electrical, right, help you through that process. Certain upgrades and options that you may want to look at to maintain the value. And look, a lot of you guys will end up building a home and realize, oh, I should have added this. I should have added that. Well, it's too late already. And it doesn't cost you anything to hire a real estate agent. And I encourage you to do this, right? Contact a bunch of real estate agents and ask the questions. I had somebody call me yesterday. How many homes have you sold? Okay. Hundreds. How many homes did you show today? None. Can't believe somebody asked me that question. How many homes you showed today? I was like, as far as how many homes I showed, that's pretty irrelevant, right? Today. Now, at the end of the day, all I'm trying to say is this. I'm very good at what I do, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn. But I'm here to earn your business. I'm not asking for your business. There's a difference. And I'm literally going to walk you through the whole process. I'm very blessed. My team is very blessed. And it's because of one thing. We just tell you how it is, and we know what's going on. At the end of the day, you're going to be the captain of the ship. Our job is to walk you through the process and educate you, but also help you make the right investments, especially when you're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on a home. This is one of the biggest investments of your life, and you're going to need somebody. All right, guys, that's enough for my rant for today. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do. If you guys are interested in purchasing a home, please let us know. Me and my team want to help you out from the CKG group. If you talk to somebody, right, on our site, or you go to Simply Vegas, make sure they work on my team. Do you specifically work for Chakits? If they say yes, you can also visit lvhomeexperts.com and check the agent roster. See which agents are on my team. Make sure you are talking to the right agent. We're going to walk you through the process, okay? Give me a call. We definitely would love to earn your business. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.